Sorry about being late. My comp had a problem.
से जो गिरिराज गोवर्धन पर्वत वैष्णव के प्रधान स्वरूप है, क्योंकि वे बलराम और कृष्ण के चरण के स्पर्श से आनंदित से प्रफुल्लित होकर गोवों और गायों
Of all the devotees, this Govardhan hill is the best. Oh, my friends, this hill supplies Krishna and Balaram, as well as their cows and cowherd friends with all kinds of necessities. Water for drinking, very soft grass, caves, fruits, flowers, and vegetables. In this way, the hill offers respect to the Lord. Actually, this slok
स्वयं राधा जी ही गिरिराज गोवर्धन की जो है महिमा बता रहे हैं.
Srimati Radhika herself, she spoke this slok about the glories of Giriraj Govardhan. So in the 21st chapter of Bhagavatam 10th canto, we hear about the glories of Venugit, the glories of the sound of the flute. When the autumn season starts, everyone's heart becomes pleased when the autumn season starts.
उस समय नदी नालाएं के जल पवित्र हो जाता है, निर्मल हो जाता है.
And the water of all the lakes, they become pure. Because you know, in the rainy season, all the waters from the rivers, lakes, they become dirty because of the rain and all the, you know, the mud, these things. But when the autumn season starts, all the water from the lakes, they become clear, crystalline. All this, you know, all these dirt which was in the water was like turf, were dirty, the water. But the rainy season comes, these dirt, they come down to the bottom of the lakes and rivers. So this is actually analogy, some comparison, that when we take shelter of Guru, slowly, doing bhajan and sadhana, our anarthas go away and our heart becomes pure. Our heart becomes pure. That's how Rupa Goswami explains Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, like this, beginning with Shraddha. So here, when the autumn season begins, all the waters of all the rivers, they become so clear, like, and many kinds of flowers, including the lotus flower, they automatically blossom in this autumn season, and this fragrance of the lotus spread in all directions, inviting the bumblebees. In the same way, our acharyas, they give this example that when the sadhak takes shelter of Sadguru, bona fide Guru, and starts his bhajan, then as more as he becomes clear of the anarthas, like free from the anarthas, then his heart becomes so neat and clean, you know. Because through Guru Seva and through being Nishtha, having the Nishtha means loyalty and steadiness in the Guru, through these two things, Guru Seva and this Nishtha, in Guru, our heart becomes pure. So how Krishna early in the morning, he goes for herding the cows with his friends. All this is explained, and all the gopis, they are staying in their house with their eyes of their moods, bhav netra, eyes of bhav. They were having the darshan of Krishna, And Shukadeva Goswami, he was absorbed in Gopi Bhav, and he was describing this in Srimad Bhagavatam. Shukadeva Goswami Pada himself, when he was describing this katha, when he was describing this katha, he was thinking, I am there. This is called Tadatmata. What have I said? Tadatmata means completely absorbed. Like his mind, his heart was no different from that thing which is going on, and he was like completely there, absorbed. In the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, there are so many kinds of explanations. So Shukadeva Goswami Pad, he told in a very beautiful way to Parikshit Maharaj. But our acharyas, in the commentaries, they explain each loka was spoken by each gopi. Whose gopi? You know, which gopi spoke? Because actually the gopis, they were in their sajut, means in their own groups of gopis. Jut means their group. For example, like Swapaksha, Vipaksha, Tatastapaksha, etc. So they have their own groups and they are explaining their bhavas. This loka actually was, so this loka Hantaya Madri was spoken directly by Srimati Radhika. She's glorifying Giriraj Govardhan. So Srimati Radhika is saying to her friend, it's not possible for us to attain to Krishna. The only way we can attain to Krishna is Mahater Kripabina. Bhakti is very far. What to speak of bhakti, of having bhakti? Even your samsara dasha, means your material attachments, will not decrease if you don't get the mercy of the mahats, means those who have prema and bhakti, the devotees. What is samsara chai? Samsara chai means to decrease, decrease your samsara. I translate as material attachments. Gurudev is saying actually this samsara means coming and going from this material world, in this material world, like dying, being born again. Sometimes you're born in a good family, and so many people like educated families, sometimes not. So this is samsara, like being again born. So for example, if you're sick, you go to the doctor and you follow the doctor's instructions. So the same way the sadhu is just like the doctor. He'll give you the medicine, some instructions, like some mantra. And then after this, if you do this, Maya, which is like a ghost, like a witch, will go away. So Srimati Radhika humbly, she's saying, it's not possible, my friend, for us to meet Krishna. So let's take shelter of the highest person. Who's the highest person in Braj? Giriraj Govardhan. So in this loka, she's saying Hanta, like, oh, alas. Look at the service mood of Giriraj Govardhan. Hanta means you're thinking, you're like hi, like Elas, like oh, he's so great, I'm nothing. I did so bhajan sadhana for so many days, but I have nothing in my heart. But this boy, he's just come to bhajan sadhana, to do bhajan sadhana, and he's so high. Like you're feeling yourself very low, you're feeling lower than everyone else. Oh, I've never done any bhajan sadhana, nothing. I also never served Guru Vaishnavas. My life, I was just eating and drinking, and I led my life like this, and with the duplicity and hypocrisy, my life went in vain, useless. So this is dinata, means humility. Oh, my life fled away, like my life went by. So which kind of hell I must go when I die? Oh, understand? Actually, there are many meanings. Later we'll say everything. Look at this Giriraj Govardhan. The Giriraj is the tilak of Vraj. Giriraj serves to everyone. So many hills in Govardhan, in Vrindavan. But why Giriraj is so high? That means the highest. Higher than all the other hills, all other mountains. Because Giriraj, his service, nobody served like him in the past, nor also in the future. Nobody will serve like him. So the glories of Giriraj, this is what is being explained here. You have heard many times about how Giriraj was originated, like how he came, how he appeared. You all have heard this katha. So Srimati Radhika is saying, oh my friend, let's all take shelter of Giriraj Govardhan. Because without taking shelter of a Mahatsa, of great personality with bhakti, like a great devotee, how it will be possible for us? So, Shukadev Goswami Pada, he's just repeating the shloka that Srimati Radhika spoke. So, for example, you spoke, and I am speaking again what you've spoke. You have spoken, like what you spoke. So actually this Lok Hantaya Madri came directly from the mouth of Srimati Radhika. Oh, he's so great. Because the highest the person, he feels very smallest. Means those who are great, they are humble and they feel themselves small. In Chaitanya Bhagavata, Vrindavan Das Thakur explains, if the tree has many fruits, all these branches of the tree, they will bend down in their, like, almost touching the earth, like this. So the more knowledge a person has, what happens? The person will be so like humble, you know. A person who has Shraddha, faith, he can attain the knowledge. Shraddhavam labate jnanam. So later there will be so much description about the bona fide guru. He gives the wealth of his heart. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, in the Anubhashya, means the commentary of Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta, and also Amrit Prabha Bhashya, commentary of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they explain through many shlokas, because if there is no Satpatra, means a proper recipient. Like if the Guru gives this wealth to a person who is not qualified, then it will be contaminated or polluted, something bad. For example, in India they say, you have to give your daughter in donation, like the marriage, or when the father gives the daughter in marriage. To a good person, Satpatra means, Patra means like also groom in this meaning, but also like the person, the recipient who you're giving to should be a good person, like Sat, like bona fide. So there is some shlok, Shri Madhav Maharaj said, Anna means rice, Gurudev is saying.
भाई एक बासमती राइस होता है,
You know the basmati
और
rice,
एक होता है
and
क्या
another
बोलते
kind
हैं,
of rice is
बंगाल में जो दुधेसर जो
in
घी
Bengal.
चावल मिलता
That the,
है, उसमें थोड़ा सा घी डाल दो,
some
देखो
special kind
सारे
of
गाँव
rice.
पे
I
आपको,
lost the name. If you put some ghee,
सुगंधित कर देगा।
all
आजकल
the
तो
village
मिलता नहीं
will
है।
be so much good smell with because of this rice. Nowadays you cannot find this rice, but in my time, like before, I remember this rice. So you have to. So okay, you achieve knowledge, like you study, you get knowledge, but later Gurudev also will explain here, like Ekalavya. Ekalavya also learned the knowledge, no? But so many examples are given. Okay, so I'll continue the katha because Maharaj will also speak later. I have to end. I have to finish. So
श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika,
धीर रूप गहरी
so much humility. She's saying, "Oh my friends, it's not possible for us to meet Govinda.
साथ एक ही मिलने की उपाय क्या
Only one way for us to meet Govinda. Which one?
हम सब
If we all
राज गोवर्धन के आश्रय
take shelter of Giriraj Govardhan.
राज गोवर्धन
Because
सर्वतोरूप
Giriraj Govardhan, he
है ब्रजवासियों की सेवा,
serves the Vrajavasis in the topmost way.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं हंताय उद्री अबला, अबला शब्द के अर्थ है
Abala,
बल नहीं है,
Abala means we don't have any strength.
जानने को।
Okay, so let's see with all these words.
क्योंकि हम लोग स्त्री जाति होने के
Because we are ladies,
संसार के रीति के
we're
अनुसार
women. So according to the rules of the society, we are
समाज नियम
completely
यहाँ तक कि
bound by the
पुत्र आदि
rules
के
of
द्वारा
society, by our husbands, sons. We are bound completely.
एक पुरुष कहीं चले जाए
A man can go wherever, like,
और एक स्त्री
but
घर
a
से
woman,
एक पैर रख
if
के
she puts one
बाहर
step
रख
out
के
of the
कहाँ जा
house,
रही हो?
everybody's asking, where are you going to? Isn't it? Everybody will ask.
बेटा जा रहे हैं,
If your son is going anywhere,
पूछोगे, किंतु आपके बेटी
maybe will not ask you, like, no problem where your son is going.
है?
But if your daughter is coming out from the house, you ask her, where are you going?
झूठ बोले सच बोले है तो दूसरी बात है,
She may
आपको पूछना
lie or say the truth, but you have to ask her.
ये हमारे भारत
Because
की सभ्यता
this,
संस्कृति है।
our Indian culture is like this. The women, they are,
इसी कथा के जब बोलते हैं ना, हमारी इंटरनेट सुनते हैं
So-
विदेशी लड़कियां ये
when they listen to this kata in the internet,
गलत शब्द क्यों बोल रहे हो?
my some ladies, Westerners, they're listening online in this kata, and they're trembling like, why Maharaj is saying this? Because Prabhupada is saying, Prabhupada told all ladies go and distribute the books everywhere.
थोड़ा ऐसी
But
बात नहीं है।
but this for Western ladies,
थोड़ा समझ करके
because in India is
किसकी
different.
बात हम कर रहे हैं?
India,
हम कर रहे हैं भारतीय सभ्यता से।
India, which thing will follow? Will follow the Indian Vedic culture, not the culture from Western culture.
तुम जो कर रहे हो,
Whatever you're doing, you do. I don't have anything to do with that.
हमारे लेना देना
What I
क्या
have
है?
to do is about
हमारे वेद पुराण
all the Vedas, Puranas, the Shatras, the Upanishads,
है, रामायण
Ramayana, the Mahabharata, their culture.
प्रमाण दे रहे हैं।
This is the evidence of how the ladies should behave.
तुम्हारे संस्कार के बोलने के लिए कि हमारे संस्कार
When I go to Western culture, should I speak about your samskaras, means your impressions, about my samskaras, my impressions? If somebody asks me like this, I say, foolish. I go to the Videsh, to the Western culture, to the Western countries. I go to speak about the Indian culture when I go to Western countries. Sorry.
गरीब भारतवर्ष से नहीं है।
So Gurudev used to say, I don't come from the poor India, I come from the great India.
बताते हैं।
Srila Madhav Maharaj also can say this, like speak what Gurudev used to say, isn't
इससे
it?
उदाहरण क्या है?
The example is Ramayana, Ved,
उपनिषद, भागवत गीता।
Puran, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita. We came to give these things.
तो साईं महाराज उसी प्रकार
Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj also used to say,
आपके पास पैसा लेने के लिए
I
नहीं
haven't
आया।
come for you to get money from you.
उन्होंने तो एक शब्द इतने कड़ी-कड़ी
He-
शब्द भी बोल दिया।
Many times
सारे विदेशी लोग
he used one, he told,
उस समय की बात
no, sorry, he spoke something like this, that all the Westerners, they came to India and took all their wealth from India. Even this Kayurhid money, like some special jewel, diamonds, like so many times, many Western people, like Westerners, they came to India, the Muslims, Katawan, many kinds of people, different groups of people, they came to India and they took so many things. So he told Swami Maharaj, I didn't come to Western countries to take anything from you. I actually came to give to you. What? The thing you forgot to take when you were in India, that thing you forgot to take, this thing I came to give to you. Bola Vrindavana Bihari Lal ki
वही
jai.
संवादी के साथ जब भक्तिवेदांत साईं महाराज
So there is some conversation that Swami Maharaj, Swami Maharaj was having with someone, and he told like this.
आज सुनिए, ये विदेशी लोग वेस्टर्न जो लोग भारतवर्ष से जो वस्तु छोड़ करके आए
Wherever the Westerners, they didn't take, they forgot to take from India. So these I came to give to them. What they forgot? What have they forgotten? They forgot Bhagavad Bhakti. They forgot to take
वो तो
this.
जड़ वस्तु आप लेकर के
They
आए।
took only the material things.
उधार की वस्तु उधार
This thing.
उधार की वस्तु उधार जा रही
So they took from here, took to their
जो रामायण,
countries.
महाभारत
But this wealth of
वेद पुराण
Ramayana, Mahabharata, Ved, Puran, Upanishad,
शास्त्र जिसको कहा जाता
the
है
Shastra.
महाराज जी कहते हैं, शास्त्र किसको कहते हैं
Maharaj says sometimes, what is Shastra? The definition of Shastra.
है, परिभाषा है।
There's a beautiful definition.
बोले वास्तव शास्त्र की जो विचार जो है भगवद भक्ति
So really the conception of the Shastra is about Bhagavad Bhakti. If you get the Bhagavad Bhakti, the Jiva, he will be happy forever. For
वही वस्तु
we are sons of nectar. I came to give this.
हम आप लोग के पास
I didn't come to you for
हो सकता है कोई
these
कोई
other
लोग
things.
जो है,
Okay, maybe some people,
क्या बोले वो
they
फैला फैला कपड़ा फैला करके भीख मांगते हैं हम ऐसे भीख मांगते
they come from India with rotten on, like torn clothes, like poor people, and want some money from you. But I didn't come for this. I didn't come for this. So it's very beautiful what he used. Sometimes like he spoke like this, like so beautiful. And Shrimati Radhika, she's saying, actually, we don't have prem in our hearts.
प्रेम तो देखो गिरिराज गोवर्धन में
प्रेम-
सबसे सेवा करते हैं
Prema
हैं?
Giriraj Govardhan has. He has prem because he does the topmost service. So this is humility of Shrimati Radha.
जब जितने दीन हो जाता है
The more humble you become,
और भगवान की कृपा उनके ऊपर ही
the more the mercy of Bhagavan will come to you.
अधिक दया करें भगवान कुलीन मानी पंडितेर बड़ई अभिमान हैं? कुलीन मानी पंडित उनके ऊपर भगवान की कृपा नहीं होती
The pandits, like those who are,
वो कहाँ गए?
they have so much pride.
सुंदर श्लोक
There is one boy,
वो क्या
where
है,
is he?
हमारे बसंतला चतुर्वेदी से
He has some shloka that
कहाँ गए आए
Vasantalal Chaturvedi was showing. This Sachinandana boy, where is he? Okay, very beautiful, very nice
ये
slok.
तुम देखो गोपियों के घर में
So in the house of the
जहाँ पर
gopis,
गाय बांधते हैं, वहीं पर तुम तो लुटपुट खाते हो और वहीं पर दौड़ते रहते हो और देखो जहाँ पर ब्राह्मण लोग
okay,
तो सदाचार निष्ठावान होते हैं और ब्राह्मण लोग जब बुलाते हैं तो लगाते हो जाना नहीं चाहते
I think about Krishna, this slok is saying, very beautiful. Like how you eat on the floor where the cows are staying, you're rolling on the ground, you're there, but you hesitate to go to the Brahmanas who follow all the sadachara, the rules of pure behavior. Because if you have abhiman, like ego or pride, sorry,
तो बपुर आदि स्वरूप
if you have pride and like this,
श्रीमती राधिका
bhakti will not come, this mercy of Lord. So Shrimati Radhika is saying,
हम लोग अबला हैं
we are
अबला किसने कहा
abala. Abala means
हम लोग स्त्री जाति होने
we
के
are
नाते
women.
हैं,
So
हम लोग अबला हम
we are
बोल नहीं पाते।
abala.
अथवा अबला शब्द की दूसरी अर्थ लिया जाए
We cannot
अरे हम लोग
go.
सत्यहीन नहीं है
But another meaning of abala means
बलवान है
we are very powerful actually.
हैं?
Two meanings. So two meanings of abala.
नेगेटिव और
One is negative and another is
अरे कौन
positive.
रुकेगा? चलो सखी
Who will stop us? Let's go, my Saki. We have power.
कि दो प्रकार अर्थ होता है
So two meanings of this word abala.
कौन रोकेगा हम लोग
Who will stop to us? Who will stop to us?
चलो ये सखी चलो है हम तो शब्द के फेर कारे हाय हाय कहता अत्यंत हंत
So I told Hanta. Hanta, another meaning for Hanta.
एक तो हाय हाय
So one is like Elas like showing humility.
आनंद के साथ हर्ष के
But Hanta also means with bliss, with happiness. Let's go. Because having the darshan of Giriraj is the highest thing. It's a matter of happiness to see him.
जाओ गिरिराज गोवर्धन
So Gurudev used to say, let's go. No, do Giriraj Parikrama. It's such a blissful thing to go for Giriraj Parikrama.
अपराजित
When Gurudeva was
लीला आदि
doing his Leela,
है गुरुदेव सबको प्रेरणा दे देते
Gurudev used to inspire everyone. When Gurudev was like still like a present in this world, Gurudev used to say, why didn't you go for Giriraj Parikrama? You have to go.
मेरा ये है वो
Oh, I have this or that. No. Go do Giriraj Parikrama, then come back.
जब गुरुदेव की तबीयत तब खराब हो जाती
When Gurudev's health was not good, he wouldn't go for Giriraj Parikrama because he was maybe sick or something. And also we saw in the last time of Parikrama,
उस समय
that time,
नहीं जाते थे गुरुदेव देख लेते थे गुरुदेव
those who didn't go,
डांटते थे
and like because Gurudev maybe
मैं वृद्ध हो गया
didn't go, Gurudev said, okay, I am old, I cannot go, but you're young, why you're not going to Giriraj?
कोई आगे आगे दौड़ करके चले जाते हैं फिर परिक्रमा के पहले
Or maybe somebody went ahead and came back before Parikrama party, before from the group of Parikrama. Then Gurudev also used to chastise them. You have to go everybody together in the Parikrama.
क्योंकि गिरिराज की ये कृपा
Because this mercy of Giriraj,
एक ही साथ में होना चाहिए
you have to go together.
एकाकी अमार नहीं पाए बोल हरि नाम संकीर्तने तुम्ही कृपा करी सत्ता बिंदु दिया देह कृष्ण नाम धाने मैं अकेला करूं तो हमारे ऊपर भगवान कृपा करे
If I go alone, maybe God will give me mercy, maybe not. But if I go with many people together,
सबके आवेदन जब होगा
by the prayer of everyone, certainly Giriraj will listen to our prayers.
उसी प्रकार
So, like this, the gopis are saying here, Shrimati Radhika,
हर्ष के साथ
with so much happiness, she's saying, let's go with Ananda, we're blissfully happy.
हमारा बला है माने
We are not Abala, no, we are powerful, another meaning, no, we are powerful, we have potency, let's go, my Saki, my friend,
धन के पास चले
let's go to Giriraj.
क्यों
Why?
रास गोवर्धन हरिदास वर्जो
Because the Giriraj Govardhan is Haridas Varjo.
राधा जी
Shrimati Radhika herself,
गिरिराज गोवर्धन के क्या पद ही दिया
she gave this title to Giriraj, Haridas Varja. Varja means Shrestha.
श्रेष्ठों के सर्वोत्तम श्रेष्ठ है तरस
Shrestha, like
गिरिराज से पर कोई बड़ा हो सकता
the most high, like the highest, the highest.
जब राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श
Varja, ne? Haridas Varja. Varja means the highest.
राम
Absolute.
कृष्णयो चरण स्पर्शेन प्रमुदः बोले देखो
Why?
देखो गिरिराज
Jad Rama
गोवर्धन
Krishna
कैसे
Sparsha
हर्ष
Pramod.
और आनंद प्रकाश कर रहे हैं।
How Giriraj is showing his bliss, his happiness?
स्वयं खेलकूद
Because
कृष्ण
when Krishna and Balaram, or Krishna and his friends,
करते करते
they are playing, and
गिरिराज गोवर्धन के ऊपर चढ़ जाते
when they climb on Giriraj,
गिरिराज गोवर्धन राम कृष्ण के
like they're up in the mountain of Giriraj, right? So, by having the touch of the lotus feet of Krishna and Balaram, Giriraj is having so much bliss, happiness.
नाम नहीं ले रहे
But so, another meaning is actually when Shrimati Radhika is saying Ram, she's not saying speaking about Balaram, no. Actually, she's speaking
कृष्ण
about
शब्द की द्वारा
the very tender lotus feet of Krishna.
कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमोद है ये देखो गिरिराज गोवर्धन
Look
कैसे
at Giriraj Govardhan, how he's so happy.
अर्थात अकुंज विहार में
Meaning in the Kunja Bihar, the pastimes of in the Kunja,
चरण कमल राहुल चरण कमल राधा जी के बक्षस्थल की कुमकुम राग के द्वारा
the lotus feet of Krishna, they are colored by the kumkum of the breasts of Shrimati Radhika. And now Giriraj is having the touch of this lotus feet of Krishna with the kumkum of the breasts of Shrimati Radhika. And Giriraj is feeling blessed.
हर्ष
That's why he's so happy. He's showing so much happiness.
हर्ष उल्लास कब करेगा
When does a person show his happiness? And if
आनंद हो
he has
मन में दुख है
bliss in his heart, but if the person is unhappy,
आनंद
sad, he will not show or not feel all this bliss and happiness. So this is the vision, the mood internal of Shrimati Radhika and the groups of Shrimati Radhika's
ये गिरिराज
Radha Paksha Vichar. So she's saying how Giriraj is showing his like happiness, his enthusiasm, like his happiness, ulas, his happiness, by having the touch of the
अर्थात अत्यंत राम शब्द के साथ रमणीय
lotus feet of Krishna. Here Ram means Ramaniya, means Krishna with his lotus feet.
बक्षस्थल में ये रमन आदि करते
He do pastimes with the chest,
चतुस्सम लगा
like a
हुआ
breast of gopis, and then also
चतुस्सम ने
there's the chatusam, which is applied. Chatusam means kumkum, aguru, chandan, sandalwood, and karpura, camphor. So this chatusam means some very nice smell, like a paste with so much nice smell and everything. So having the touch of this lotus feet of Krishna, Giriraj now is showing so much happiness,
यह नहीं है गिरिराज
joy, joy.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन
So
सर्वतो रूपेण सब प्रकार से ही
Giriraj,
ब्रजवासियों की सेवा आदि करता
he serves the Vrajavasis in all the
है।
ways.
बरसात के समय जो
You see,
बारिश
in the
आती
time
है,
of the rain,
वर्षा कहाँ से होती है?
how does the rain come?
बहुत ऊंचे।
Because Giriraj is so high, it's a tall mountain, very tall. So the clouds come and they become stuck
बारिश कहाँ होता है?
in the
पर्वत हो,
in the mountains, because
वन वृक्ष आदि हो।
where does it rain a lot, where there are so many mountains or tall trees, because then the clouds they get like stuck, and then the and then the cloud rains there. Another thing, so Giriraj helps in the rain. Another, he also helps in the shadow, because he's so tall, Giriraj mountain. So his shadow is reaching up to, is coming up onto Mathura.
गर्मी के समय
And also so many waterfalls in Giriraj. In the
आता था झिझ झिझ
in the summertime, these waterfalls they have so much fresh, like a cold, but in a good cold, this water temperature is very nice, refreshing. But in the cold times, like cold season, so these waterfalls,
स्वभाव हो गया
their water become also
बिना गर्म पानी से
like my nature. I cannot take shower without hot water. Gurudev is saying about him. So Giriraj Govardhan, his water in the winter is also like warm.
अनेक प्रकार पुष्प
And Giriraj also
फल दार वृक्ष आदि
with many kinds of fruits and flowers, many kinds of trees. And then
भजन आदि करते
the sakas, the friends of Krishna, they eat
और कितने महिमा
from these fruits and etc. So how much glories of Giriraj. There's also one kind of stone called Sugandha Shila.
जिस शिला
It's one stone in Giriraj that if you put a little bit of water and if you just like rub your hands in the stone, your hands will be Gaura Varna, means like
हाथ में
sorry, I think Gurudev said golden, means like some colored, and there will be some perfume in your hand for days.
से पहले
Before you, there's this stone is still available. You can see. Before you used to go,
सुगंध सिलाई नाम दिया
the name is Sugandha Silai.
जब गए 2000
In 2001 or 2,
केवल मधि भवन में
where we went to when we were staying in the Madhi Bhavan,
ये करते थे
and we used to do parikrama from there.
उसके ठीक मधि भवन के सामने
Just near to Madhi Bhavan, this stone is still available nowadays. Even so many stones like this,
और गाय आदि जो है
and also the cows
विश्राम आदि करते हैं
take rest also in Giriraj. So Giriraj serves everyone every way possible. So how can describe the glories of
क्योंकि
Giriraj?
जो सर्वश्रेष्ठ सेवा आदि करते हैं
Because
उसी प्रसन्न होते हैं
Because those who serve in the highest way, Bhagavan becomes pleased with them. So there are two kinds of service, Vapu Seva and Vani Seva.
सभी गुरु के सेवा करते हैं
All serve to Guru. Who does not serve to Guru?
गुरु सेवक मन आपन नाम जो गुरुदेव के सेवा करते
Those who serve
वो मेरा
the Guru, who serve Guru.
है। इसी प्रकार
Sorry, I spoke, I couldn't listen. But I think Gurudev said, I think those who serve to Guru, they are my life and soul, something like
चलो
that.
हम लोग सब मानन तनति सहभोग
Because I spoke and I couldn't hear the word.
पानी और सुजव सकंदर कुंद मूली और विशेष करके गिरिराज
Especially,
गोवर्धन की एक विशेष बात
Giriraj also has one special thing.
देखो गिरिराज गोवर्धन कितने सुंदर कंदराएं जाए गुफा आदि तैयार
Giriraj also prepares so many caves.
राधा जी अपने भाव को गोपन
Shrimati Radhika, she's trying to hide her bhav, like hiddenly she's speaking her bhavs, in a hidden form.
ये सब कथा श्रवण किया
So Gurudev used to tell about the leelas in the caves of Giriraj.
को आगे बढ़ाए
Tomorrow we will speak more,
इसी संदर्भ में
because in this context,
वास्तव रूप में गुरु सेवा
I mean,
किसको कहा जाता
in
है
this Harikatha context, we see what is Guru Seva, what is Guru Das, what is servant of Guru,
पूर्वक किसको कहा जाता है
what is
सात्विक शिष्य किसको
disciple,
कहा जाता है, राजसी शिष्य किसको कहा जाता है तामसिक शिष्य
what is a
किसको
disciple in
कहा
the mode of
जाता है,
ignorance, Rajasic, Shishak, disciple in the mode of
अनेक प्रकार
passion,
तारतम्य
also what is a bona fide disciple. All these things we can analyze in this context of this Harikatha.
वो वैष्णवे भो नमो।
Okay, just now I'll come back from the beginning. Maybe some minutes of Harikatha I lost. I'm so sorry because I had some issue in my computer.
अष्टो अष्टोत्तर शतस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रील वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रील नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की अभय चरण कमलों में साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज श्रील भक्ति विज्ञान श्रील भारती गोस्वामी महाराज एवं प्रभुज चरण श्री माधव महाराज श्री नरसिंह महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। आज प्रातः काल से
So today from early in the morning we
श्री श्री चैतन्य चरितमृतम मध्य
have been reading Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila, chapter 18.
पाठ करें।
We have been reading.
इसमें चैतन्य महाप्रभु वृंदावन दर्शन करने के लिए
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came to have the darshan of
और
Vrindavan,
कैसे चैतन्य
and how
महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
वृंदावन की एक स्थान को दर्शन करके कैसे भाव में
became absorbed in the bhava after having the darshan of each place of Vrindavan. He was doing the Vrindavan Parikrama, Mahaprabhu.
के बारे में हम
We are hearing about
ही तो कृष्ण अभी गौर रूप में
So Krishna himself, he came in the form of Gaura, Mahaprabhu, and
गृह माने वृंदावन के वो दर्शन कर रहे हैं।
he's having the darshan of his own house, means Vrindavan. But now he's accepted the mood of a devotee. Mahaprabhu is with the mood of a devotee.
यानी कृष्ण
So
भक्त भाव
Krishna,
अंगीकार करके
he is accepting the Bhakta Bhav, the mood of a devotee, and he's having the darshan of his own place, means Vrindavan, right?
इस कथा प्रसंग हम लोग आज
In this
श्रवण
context,
किया था
today we were hearing
प्रातः काल में
early in the morning
ये मानसी गंगा में श्रीमान महाप्रभु
how Srimad Mahaprabhu, he took shower in Manasi Ganga, and then Mahaprabhu, he did parikram of Giriraj. He started the parikrama of
मानसी
Giriraj.
गंगा में स्नान के बाद
After taking shower in Manasi Ganga,
परिक्रमा
Mahaprabhu, he started his Govardhan Parikrama, Giriraj of Parikrama of Giriraj. Once, all the Vrajavasis also,
देखो हम लोग ब्रज में बहुत साल तक रह रहे
they told to Krishna, we are staying Vraja for so long
स्नान
time.
करने के लिए जाते हैं
Though some people,
सब तीर्थ बार बार
generally people go to visit the Ganges, you know, because, you know, it should,
तो हम भी गंगा स्नान करने के लिए जाते
so
समझ आ गई।
So the Vrajavas, they told to Krishna, we are here for a long time living Vraj. We also want to go for taking shower or snan in the Ganga. Because how this look explains, you have to go to all tirthas many times, but at least once in your life you should go to the where the Ganges meets the ocean. You know, I forgot the English name, Foish, like the where the river meets the ocean of, you know, Ganga Sagar, where Ganges meets the ocean. So
भगवान कृष्ण बोले देखो
Bhagavan
सारे
Krishna
तीर्थ
said,
गंगा आदि मेरा
all the tirthas,
चरण से प्रकट हुए हैं
all the tirthas, actually the pilgrimage places, they come from my lotus feet.
वासी लोग
And these Vrajavasis, they are my family, Krishna is saying, thinking.
एक तत्व रस विचार में तो कितने सुंदर वर्णन
So beautiful this statue in the Rasa Vichar.
है और मेरा ब्रजवासी
And my Vrajavasis,
इतने दीनहीन
they are
साधारण
so
रूप में
humble.
रहते हैं।
They are just like
कले कन्हैया
ordinary, like they're feeling like ordinary persons.
एक बार गंगा स्नान
So they're saying, Kanhaiya, let's go for Ganga Snan, to taking bath in the Ganga river.
ठाकुर जी बोले अच्छा यहीं पर गंगा को
But-
प्रकट कर देता हूँ
But Thakurji, means Krishna, he said, oh, let me manifest here the Ganges.
हैं? कृष्ण ने क्या कि देखो
So Krishna,
मन
what
से-
did he do
मन
in
के
his
द्वारा
mind?
चिंतन करने के
He was
साथ
just
साथ
thinking about the Ganges, and
साक्षात गंगा देवी
immediately
कल कल कल
Ga-
करके प्रवाहित हुई।
Ganga Devi came, making the sound kal 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 kal.
हैं? इसलिए आज तक उसके नाम हो
That's why the name of this place that is called Manasi Ganga, because
मानसी गंगा
you know Manasi Ganga. Gurudev is explaining the story of Manasi Ganga.
में बैठते हैं,
So we go to the Manasi Ganga and also we sit down in the temple of Haridev.
किंतु धीरे धीरे काल क्रम
But
से
slowly, by the influence of time,
उधार
people
सुनकर उसके
they listen things here and there, and they
जो देवी मूर्ति है उसे मनसा देवी कह करके पूजा करते हैं।
so there like some Deva Murti, means like this deity of some demigod. So people worship this Manasi Devi there nowadays in Manasi Ganga.
है ना, जब हम लोग हरिदेव दर्शन करके
After having the darshan of Manasi of
और
Haridev,
के बाएं
and-
रख करके जो हम चलते हैं,
when we go having the Brahma Kunda to our left side,
याद है?
Do you remember?
उधार होते हैं।
just there the Vrajavasi's house, that place,
देवी
and
की मूर्ति पूजा करते हैं।
they have some Devi Murti Puja, means they are worshipping some deity of some demigod there.
यही तो माया की खेल है,
This is the play of Maya,
हैं?
like game of
ब्रज में
Maya.
रहते हैं,
Because these people live in Vraj,
तो ब्रज की
but
महत्व लोग
they don't even know the
नहीं समझते
glories. They don't understand the glories of
और
Vraj.
अपने के ब्रजवासी कहते हैं,
And you say that you are a Vrajavasi.
हैं? अरे कम से कम ब्रज के महत्व तो सुनो,
But at least listen to the glories of
और
Vraj
किसी के सुनाओ,
and tell to others also these glories.
ना जानते हैं,
But
ना
you don't even
सुनते
know.
हैं,
You don't even know these glories. You also don't listen to these glories, and
बस
just
बाहर के इधर उधर की कथा सुन करके बस
you listen something here and there from outsiders or something here and there, and
बोल दो।
you also speak these
और अपने के कहेंगे
things.
क्या?
But you consider yourself,
वासी हूँ, मुझे बस पैसा दो तो बस।
you just you'll say, oh, I am a Vrajavasi, give me money, give me money.
हाँ बस। चलो देखो
Chalo, no, let's
ये
continue.
मानसी
So
गंगा
you see Manasi Ganga,
कितने सुंदर वो दिव्य स्थान।
how beautiful and transcendental place.
फिर कृष्ण
Then
ब्रजवासी
Krishna,
को बताया,
he
देखो,
told to the
यहाँ पे स्नान
Vrajavasis,
करें।
let you may take shower here. Sorry, not shower. You may take bath here. No, you may take bath. So many glories of Manasi Ganga. But now the time is very short,
तरफ नहीं जा रहे
so I'll not discuss more about this.
विशद रूप में अगर लोग ये जानना है तो गुरुदेव की प्रकाशित जो ग्रंथ
If you want to know more, you can read that book from manifested by Gurudev, Vrajamandala Parikrama.
ध्यान करें।
You may read that
और
book,
हम लोग जब जाते हैं
and also when we go every year, we go there and
वैष्णवों के
we hear from the lotus mouth of the Vaishnavas about the place, also about Manasi Ganga, etc. Such a beautiful, transcendental, divine place.
इसलिए यहाँ पर के प्रातः काले प्रभु मानस गंगाय करि स्नान गोवर्धन परिक्रमाए करिल प्रयाण। प्रातः काल में
Early in the morning, Mahaprabhu,
मानसी गंगा में स्नान करके
he, after taking shower in the after taking bath in Manasi Ganga, he went to Govardhan for doing the Govardhan Parikrama.
नाचते नाचते चलीला श्लोक पढ़िया। बहुत सुंदर ये श्लोक है।
This श्लोक is very beautiful,
प्यारी श्लोक है।
very dear.
इस श्लोक के बहुत सुर से, ताल से, भाव से, आंखों से आंसू की धारा प्रवाहित करते हुए ये श्लोक महागुरुदेव भी पाठ करते थे।
Okay, this slok, I think he's talking about this slok. It's very beautiful, and Gurudev, Shalnarayan Goswami Maharaj, he used to read this, recite this slok. It's so much absorbed with such a beautiful melody, such a beautiful tune, such a beautiful voice. And Gurudev, when speaking this slok, reciting this slok, he also used to have tears in his eyes, completely feeling so much these old moods.
कितना सुंदर श्लोक है।
Such a beautiful verse from the Venu Gita. Oh, sorry, not this one, this next one.
इसलिए यहाँ पर करें श्रीमान महाप्रभु भी उसी प्रकार गिरिराज
Okay, so he's talking about the other slok that will come later from the Venu Gita.
आंसू की धारा प्रवाहित करते हुए
Okay,
प्रातः काल में श्रीमान महाप्रभु मानसी गंगा में स्नान करके गोवर्धन की परिक्रमा करने के लिए चल पड़े। गोवर्धन देखी प्रभु प्रेमाविष्ट हयां
I just rewind it just a little bit just to make sure what he's speaking about.
बहुत सुंदर ये श्लोक है, बहुत प्यारी श्लोक है।
Because this slok is saying that Mahaprabhu became ecstatic with love while dancing, and dancing he recited the following verse. Okay, sorry, the following verse. So, Srila Gurudev, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj used to recite this verse in such a beautiful tune, such a beautiful melody, completely absorbed. This sloka was very dear to Gurudev. He used to recite it in absorbed in bhav, crying. So Gurudev also used to recite this verse. This is a verse from Venugit. Bhagavatam 10:21.18, verse 18 of Venugit. So Mahaprabhu also, he used to see Govardhan and he felt all these bhavas coming to his heart.
Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanuti Sahago Vajitayorjat Paniya Sujavasha Kandara Kandamulai Antaya Adriya Bolan Haridasa Varjo. से जो गिरिराज गोवर्धन पर्वत वैष्णव के प्रधान स्वरूप है.
Giriraj, the highest of all the Vaishnavas, the most prominent of all Vaishnavas, because having the touch of lotus feet, from being touched by the lotus feet of Krishna and Balaram, Govardhan Hill appears very jubilant.
श्री रामकृष्ण की पीने का जल और खाने का वस्तुएं,
And Giriraj provides all the water for drinking, soft grass, caves, fruits, flowers and vegetables.
एक्चुअली ये श्लोक जो है संग राधा
This
जी
sloka was speaking about Srimati Radhika herself,
गिरिराज गोवर्धन की जो
and
है
here I was already translating from the beginning, so you can just
जो लोग
like rewind the video and you can see. Jai Srila Gurudev ki jai.